On November 8, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper was on a routine patrol when he saw a motorcycle lane splitting. Lane splitting may be legal in California, but not in Arkansas. Also not legal in Arkansas, going double the speed limit. The trooper quickly flips on his lights and sirens, attempting to pull over the suspect. The situation quickly evolves into a pursuit, one where officers utilize a tactic never seen before on this channel.
About 130. Speed 130.
This second officer is traveling northbound on I-430, while the pursuing officer is traveling eastbound on I-40. This second officer is likely rushing through traffic in hopes to continue the chase if the motorcyclist outpaces the pursuing officer.